Hello friends, all of us know that there are three scripts in the Japanese language: hiragana, katakana and kanji. The hiragana is the basic Japanese script and katakana is the script used for foreign words, and the kanji is the script made from the pictures. We shall now see how we can make kanji remembrance in an easy way. If you observe the third row, it is looking like a tree and it is called as ki in hiragana. And if you observe the fourth row from the bottom, it is called hito, which means person. And if you observe the first row, it is the picture showing the sun. So using with just these three symbols, we shall arrive with more combinations of kanji. So by just using the three symbols of kanji, how we can remember the further kanjis. Now I have made 9 more kanjis by just using tree as the basic symbol, and I will use the rest of the symbols along with the tree. So now if you remember only 3 kanjis, you can make total 11 kanjis. We shall see how it is possible. The first kanji, tree, you are already aware. The second kanji is the person, which means hito. Now if I rotate this person kanji, it will become like this. This is called person radical. We will use radicals to make the combinations. And you already seen in the first picture how the sun symbol has come. Okay, now if you cut the tree at the bottom, then it will become book. That means just adding this symbol to the tree, it will become book. And next, just adding the sun symbol with the tree, it will become east, which means sun rising just behind the tree or above the tree, whichever you call. Okay, next, the person and the tree combinedly is called rest. That means in the olden days, the person used to take rest at the tree. And if you observe the tree, person and the bottom of the tree, it will become the body. That means a person taking rest at the bottom of the tree is called body. The next, if you add 2 tree symbols, it will become groove. In the similar way, if you add one more tree to the groove, it will become forest. And if you take tree along with 2 dotted symbols, it will become the rice. And if you add one more dash to the above thing, then it will become come or next. Its actual pronouncing is kuru. That means we need to it will not come alone, so we need to add something else for it to come some meaning. Sometimes it will come as meaning as come, and sometimes it will come as next. If I conclude in this way, using those 3 symbols, I have arrived with 9 more symbols, which made my remembrance in a easy form. First one is tree, which means key. The second one is book, which means horn. The third one is east, which means higashi. The fourth one is rest, which means yasumi. The fifth one is body, which means karada. The sixth one is groove or wood, which means hayashi. The seventh one is forest, which means mori. The eighth one is rice, which means kome. The ninth one is kuru means just to come, or in other words, in onyomi sound it is called as the rai also. More combinations to come up with. Those things I will show in part 2 in the next video. Please give your comments and please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.